Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll show you how to enable the Ask Before Downloading feature in Opera Mini. This option can help you manage downloads and prevent unwanted files from being downloaded to your device. Let's dive into the settings and set it up step by step. First, open Opera Mini on your mobile device. Tap the Opera logo icon at the bottom. In the menu, tap on Settings icon. Scroll down to the Downloads section, look for the option labeled Ask Before Downloading and toggle it on. Once enabled, Opera Mini will ask for confirmation before downloading files, giving you more control over your downloads. That's it. Now Opera Mini will prompt you before downloading files, ensuring you're always in control. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.